If you're looking for a quick, no-fluff guide on how to build a simple email funnel for your product, this is it. I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this 3-minute tutorial, you'll have a clear and working funnel setup, plus access to an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, just for viewers of my channel. Here's the deal. Whether you're selling a digital product, physical item, or even a service, email funnels are still one of the highest converting sales tools you can build, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Let's get into it. Step 1. You need a lead magnet. This is a free offer, like a cheat sheet, free trial, discount code, or even a quick training video that gives people a reason to hand over their email address. Keep it simple but valuable. People don't want another ebook that sits in their inbox untouched. Give them something they can use today. Next, connect your lead magnet to a landing page. The software we'll be using makes this super easy with drag and drop templates. No design skills needed. Add a short headline that explains what they're getting, a few bullet points for benefits, and an email capture form. That's it. Once they opt in, send them to a thank you page with 2 things. First, confirm their opt-in. Second, offer them a low-friction next step. That could be a time-limited discount, a quick product demo, or even a book a call CTA, depending on your product. Now let's talk emails. Email 1 should deliver the lead magnet immediately, but it should also do more. Introduce yourself, set expectations, and give them a taste of what's coming. You want them to open your next emails. Email 2 is about the problem your product solves. Dive into the pain point. Relatable stories work great here. Don't pitch, just resonate. Email 3 is where you shift into value plus solution. Show how your product solves the problem. Use testimonials, short case studies, or before and afters if you've got them. Email 4 is the offer. Make it clear, simple, and time sensitive. Don't overcomplicate this. People overthink the pitch. Just be direct and benefit focused. Finally, email 5 is a last call reminder. Reiterate the benefit, mention the urgency again, and give them a reason to act now. All 5 emails can be automated inside the software we're using. Just plug them into the sequence builder, set the timing between each email, usually 1 per day, and you're done. Now the key takeaway, a simple email funnel for your product doesn't need 20 steps or complex tools. It just needs the right offer, the right messaging, and a way to automate it. Quick recap. 1. Lead magnet, landing page 2. Thank you page with next step 3. 5 email sequence. Deliver, relate, educate, pitch, follow up. 4. Automate it all inside the software. If you want to follow along and set this up today, check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it's what I personally use and recommend. That's it. Go build your funnel.